Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't find it on your OPPO A54s. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll try to search for Call of Duty. As you can see, the game is not available, we can't find it anywhere. So now to fix that, we'll need to go back and press on our icon like that. Go for the settings, family, parental controls, and from here either disable the parental controls like that, enter the PIN, then confirm, or the second way is to go for the apps and games, enter your PIN and change it to PEGI 18 or allow all included unrated. Press save, go back. Let's try looking for Call of Duty again. As you can see, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.